Adding windows and doors, it can feel like a really big investment. But for us, I know swapping all of our windows, for example, we save, for a house this size, a little over $100 during the winter each month on our gas bill. And so that's one thing that helps over time kind of balance that out. But even beyond that is just the feeling that you get in your home by making it what you envisioned it could be. And for us, that included a lot of natural light in every house it has. And so it's an investment that we have always prioritized, and we've decided this is what we want to do first. This needs to have a window.